awardee, John Rafael C. Bautista of Grade 6 Einstein.
To our distinguished guests, guest of honor, Architect Mr. Francis Lin Laquindano, guest speaker, CPA Mr. Anwar Lobo, our district supervisor, Mr. Nairol Olalia, our energetic principal, Mr. Nestor L. Dizon, my hardworking class advisor, Sir Bernie V. Trinidad, untiring teachers, proud parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed evening to one and all. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our lives, elementary school. Now, we are going to start a new chapter in our journey in life, which is high school. Dr. Jose Rizal once said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. The knowledge and skill we have acquired in this school are important tools for us to play our role in society someday. Ang kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, ang ating team sa pagtatapos na ito. Indeed, we can be home to our beloved country, the Philippines, just ask God for His continuous guidance and wisdom. Proverbs 19 verse 21 says, there are many plans in a man's heart, but only God's purpose prevail. Bear in mind, to achieve this goal, you must apply discipline, hard work, dedication, focus, lastly, consistency. Tandaan natin lagi, baka walang tiyaga, walang nilaga. I also would like to express my thanks and gratitude for those people who helped me a lot in this school. First, to God for His provision. Second, to our loving parents for their love and support. Third, to our teacher who acted as our second parents in school. Most of all, to my classmates who gave me comfort and joy. Ladies and gentlemen, I am John Rafael C. Bautista, the one and only son of Rafaelito Bautista and Analing Cuyugan. My mother is an OFW. Since I was young, it was my father who acted as one father and mother to me. Somehow, both of them raised me with their unconditional love. Distance is not a big issue to consider. I talk to my mom every day, and we see each other via internet and Skype 2, 3, or even 5 times in a day. Except when there is no power or brownouts. My parents make me comfortable and make me realize their great desire for me is to become the best version of myself, though I miss my mom. I know she also does. But I motivated myself positively that I have to accept the reality that this time is not forever. So instead, work and study, in order to make my parents proud of me someday. When I was younger, I loved to play games in the internet. As a matter of fact, until now, I love this game so much. I am dreaming of becoming a computer engineer someday, so that I can also design and develop games as well. I believe in my dreams and my skills, and I consider this a challenge, that if I work hard for it, I will succeed. It has been an honor to be enrolled here in Lolo Elementary School. Although I'm new here, I feel like home. Thanks for the warm welcome. Our daily class interaction and activities inside the classroom bring us closer and closer together, creating harmonious relationship among us. Fellow graduates, we are blessed to receive a good academic education, thanks to the admin and the teachers. We are now ready to face whatever challenge lies ahead. I want you to know that what a great team it is to be prepared as we are. Because not all school offers such an advantage. Here, in Lolo Elementary School, we have a good training for academic excellence. We are also nurtured with Christian values, which basically our core foundation in life. Classmates, what we have learned in the past 10 months will benefit us forever. I also would like to leave some valuable lessons. First, put God first in everything you do. Everything I have accomplished is by the grace of God. I kept God in my life, and He has kept me humble. Second, it is better to try, do not be afraid to stay out. It is better to try and fail rather than do not try at all. Helen Marks said, "We can choose to be an extraordinary. Have a dream, set a goal in your life, and do everything to pursue it." Hindi hadlang ang kahirapan upang umunlad. Our graduation today is an achievement, all because of God's help and the people around us. Everything in this world has a beginning, and we have just accomplished this beginning. Hence, there's no reason why we should fail our future endeavors. I want to quote a verse 2 in Proverbs 16. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and what you have done in order to succeed. Once again, I am John Rafael C. Bautista. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Thank you so much, John Rafael. Once again, congratulations. For tonight's affair is not complete without being ground. For tonight's affair is not complete without being ground.
please remain standing. Graduates, please remain standing. Take a little time to give praise and